What's going on, everybody? Let's do a little bit of stock market recap. Today is July 6th, Tuesday. Welcome back to the markets. I hope everyone had a great 4th of July weekend. The stock that we're going to be talking about is Apple. Okay. Last night I put a video out and I said, that 140 area is going to be a huge psychological level. Just going back to last Friday, we had tested that level and we're kind of, got stalled out there a little bit just due to the fact that it was going to be a very long weekend, the holiday, this, that, and the other. So I was saying, the 140 area is definitely the area that we're going to want to look for. Pre-market, we were over the 140 area. Stock was looking extremely strong. And then right out of the gate, we went ahead and put in an insane green candle, followed by the next candle that took us all the way to a high of 143.15. We did run into a little bit of resistance up there at that 143 area. As the market started to come in a little bit off that first, second hour of the trading day today, the market came in along with Apple, and you can see that we came down in here. We tested this 9 EMA. Okay, we broke through and then immediately reclaimed it in the same hour, which is very, very bullish. Also, the triple Qs had a tremendous reversal off of that dip, also reclaimed a key area and then went higher and actually closed green on the day. Apple really didn't do too much the rest of the day, kind of trickled a little bit higher, and we closed at 142.02, up $2 on the day. So if you did get into this off the break on the pre-market at about 140.38, 140.50, you are sitting very, very nice, up about a point and a half. I still think that Apple has room to run to 145 before it starts to meet any serious levels of resistance. And then depending on how the overall stock market is doing, that's going to determine whether or not that Apple sees all-time highs here or not. So just going into tomorrow's session, there's a couple of levels that we want to look at. There is going to be a sneaky area here at about the 142.20 area. I think that if we can crack through that 142.20 area, we could possibly retest this 143 area. Depending on your sizing and how many shares and or contracts, you might want to lock in some profits here and keep a runner to see if we can bust through that 143.15 wall. If we cannot and we start to stall out here, you can always sell your position and take the cash flow off of the table. If the market opens down and we open a little bit weak tomorrow, 141.60s is an area of opportunities where I would be looking for a bounce on Apple. If we break through this 9 EMA on the hourly time frame, look for a breakdown, and then on the preceding candle or same candle, we're looking for a reclaim and close above the 9 EMA. And then the following candle, we're looking to take out that price action, and that is where you're going to want to get long. However, on the grand scheme of things, in the bigger picture, Apple looks very, very, very strong. It looks like it wants to take out 143.15 this week, possibly test highs at 145. And if the market continues this rally in this rotation, all-time highs coming in here on Apple, those are some of the levels that you're going to want to look for here. Definitely put the 9 EMA on your chart. Definitely use the 1 hour time frame so you can kind of get a bigger macro picture view of what's going on here with the stock. Not saying that you can't trade the 5 minute, but a stock like Apple doesn't really have a big true daily range. So it's going to tend to chop around 20 cents here, 50 cents there, 10 cents here. On the hourly time frame, you can kind of get a bigger just overall view and just a better idea of what you're looking at here. So 142.20 is an area that we're looking to get long off of. Take that into 143, almost about a point move there. So if you do get in there, be sure to take some profits on the way up. However, if the market opens down, we're looking at that 141.60s areas, 141.50s areas, and then look to reclaim that 9 EMA for a reversal back to the upside. I will see you guys all in the next video. Also, guys, please like and subscribe to this channel and this video. Leave a comment if you traded Apple today. Also, if you would like to become a member of my private Discord, it's less than $1 a day. I'm going to help you guys out with entries and exits and stops and chart breakdowns, such as putting out my daily watch list and signals. You guys can kind of follow along on the stocks that I'm watching and trading actively every day. I'm active in the market at least the first 3 to 4 hours every day for 5 days a week that the market is open. And I will see you guys all on the next video. Have a good one.